Risk-based auditing is a modern approach that focuses on identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risks within an organization. Instead of auditing every process equally, this method ensures that high-risk areas receive the most attention, improving efficiency and impact. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What is risk-based auditing? 2. Key principles of risk-based auditing. 3. Steps to conduct a risk-based audit. 4. Benefits of risk-based auditing. By applying this method, auditors can help organizations minimize threats, improve compliance, and enhance business performance. 1. What is risk-based auditing? Risk-based auditing, RBA, is an audit approach that prioritizes areas with the highest risk to an organization. Instead of following a checklist-driven audit, RBA tailors the audit process based on risk assessments and impact analysis. Key characteristics of risk-based auditing: focuses on high-risk areas first, aligns audit priorities with business goals and regulatory requirements, uses data-driven decision-making to assess risks, ensures efficient resource allocation for auditing. 2. Key principles of risk-based auditing. To conduct an effective risk-based audit, auditors follow key principles. Risk identification, understanding potential threats to operations, finances, and compliance. Impact analysis, assessing how risks affect business objectives, reputation, and regulatory compliance. Prioritization, focusing audit efforts on high-risk and high-impact areas. Continuous monitoring, regularly updating risk assessments based on emerging threats. Stakeholder involvement, engaging leadership and employees to align risk priorities with business strategy. 3 steps to conduct a risk-based audit. Step 1. Identify risks and define scope. Conduct a risk assessment using tools like SWOT analysis, risk matrices, and past audit data. Determine the audit scope based on high-risk areas. Step 2. Develop a risk-based audit plan. Define audit objectives aligned with risk management goals. Assign risk scores to different business processes to rank their priority. Identify key controls and compliance requirements. Step 3. Perform the audit with risk focus. Gather evidence through document review, interviews, and data analysis. Assess control effectiveness in managing high-risk areas. Identify weaknesses and potential vulnerabilities. Step 4. Report findings and recommend actions. Provide clear risk ratings for each audit finding. Suggest corrective actions and strategies to mitigate risks. Develop a follow-up plan to monitor progress. 4. Benefits of risk-based auditing. Improves audit efficiency, reduces time spent on low-risk processes, enhances compliance and risk management, helps organizations address major threats before they escalate. Strengthens decision-making, provides data-driven insights to leadership for risk mitigation. Ensures regulatory readiness, focuses on high-priority compliance areas. Key takeaways: risk-based auditing prioritizes high-risk areas rather than auditing everything equally. It aligns audit activities with business objectives and risk management strategies. Using a structured risk-based approach improves efficiency, compliance, and decision-making. By implementing risk-based auditing, organizations can proactively manage threats, enhance governance, and ensure long-term success. In the next lesson, we'll discuss how to identify and manage non-conformities in an audit.